Yesterday, after our church service, which was a Sunday, we drove out to Dietering Orchards, which is about a 25-minute drive from our church building, and we enjoyed picking peaches. There's something so beautiful about the trees just absolutely loaded with fruit and the kids being able to pick them and enjoy them. They weren't quite ripe, so they had to sit in a box and ripen, but when they get ripe, it's time to can. Because there's so many. What else would I do with them? First, I gotta blanch the peaches, so I'm gonna put them in hot water, and then right out of the hot water into the ice bath. That process makes the skins just peel right off so easily. Next, I quarter them up and remove the pit. I also removed some of the bigger bruises, but I didn't worry about it too much, just the ones that were really big and brown. In the middle of processing up the peaches, I also went ahead and started the syrup. I went with a medium syrup, which consisted of 5 1/4 cups of water to 2 1/4 cup of sugar. After preparing the jars and packing them with peaches, I'm going to fill the jars with the syrup, and then I'm going to fill my canner part way with water, and then I'm going to wipe off the stickiness around the edges of the jars so that the lids will go on there nice and clean. Once the lids are all prepared and put on, I'm going to secure on the rims. Once my canner is full of jars, I'm going to fill it to be about 1 inch above the jars full of water and bring it to a rolling boil. Once the rolling boil starts, I'm gonna put the lid on and process it for 20 minutes, and this is what they look like when they're done. I like to cover my jars out of the canner with a dish rag so it slows the process of them cooling down and they seal great. Once they're cool, I label them and store them in the garage and enjoy them all winter long.